I will be talking to you about success and passion. Alam ko na lahat tayo gusto natin maging successful, tama? Kanina pa tayo, angat ng kamay, di ba? Pag sinabing gusto mo maging successful, inaangat talaga natin yung kamay natin. Lahat tayo gusto natin maging successful sa lahat ng ginagawa natin, lalo na dito sa I Am Worldwide. At alam din natin na ang passion ay isa sa tool para maging successful tayo. Tama? Tama? Sabihin mo nga passion. Ayan. So, meron po akong dalawang bagay na napag-aralan dito. Gustong-gusto ko itong word na to. Grinding and purpose. Sabihin natin grinding. Purpose. Ayan. So, alam niyo po ba na mostly po sa atin, kapag enjoyable at comforting, sinasabi natin, I feel enjoyable and I feel comfortable because it is my passion. Pero kapag dumating yung time na hindi na siya enjoyable, hindi na siya comfortable, madali tayong mag-give up. We easily give up. Bakit? Sinasabi natin sa ating sarili, it's not worth it, it's not my passion. Kasi hindi na siya enjoyable, hindi na siya comfortable. Alam niyo po ba na ang passion, hindi po siya OTS. Hindi siya on the spot. Ang passion po, nadidiscover natin yan as we go through. Kaya kailangan natin yung dalawang yon, the grinding and the purpose. You have to grind yourself. Para malaman mo, di ba may goal tayo, gusto natin, ito yung goal natin. Para malaman mo kung passion mo yung goal na yan, you have to grind yourself. You have to allow yourself to be crushed into pieces. Pag sinabi kasi natin grinding mentors, you have to repeat over and over and over again hanggang mahit mo yung goal. Yan po. Pag sinabi natin grinding, ulit-ulitin mo hanggang mahit mo yung goal. Hindi kasi sabi, it's not my passion. Kasi hindi na comfortable, hindi na enjoyable. Kasi hindi na maganda yung sitwasyon mo. Kaya hindi na siya yung passion mo. Pero remember, you have to grind yourself. And as you grind yourself, paulit-ulit mong ginagawa hanggang mahit mo yung goal, along the process, you will find that purpose na binigay ni God sa'yo kung bakit nandun ka. You will find the purpose kung bakit nandito ka kay I Am Worldwide. And you will be remembering your deepest why. At yung deepest why mo na yan, yung purpose na binigay ni Lord sa'yo kung bakit nandito ka kay I Am, yan yung mag-create sa'yo ng passion. Yan yung mag-create sa'yo ng passion na i-pursue at tapusin at i-hit yung goal because in your emotion, in your heart, kahit hindi na siya enjoyable, kahit hindi na siya comfortable, kahit hindi na siya bed of roses, magpapatuloy ka pa rin. Bakit? Because you are passionate about it. You have the passion to hit that goal. You have the passion to finish the race. Nakuha po ba natin, mentors? Meron po akong iiwan na story. A very short story. Meron pong tatlo na gumagawa ng bricks. Tinanong po sila kung bakit sila gumagawa ng bricks. Yung first person, sabi, bakit ka gumagawa ng bricks? Dahil gumagawa ako ng bricks. Yung pangalawang tao, tinanong, bakit ka gumagawa ng bricks? Kasi nagbibuild ako ng wall. Gumagawa ako ng pader. Yung pangatlo na tao, tinanong siya, bakit ka gumagawa ng bricks? Ang sinabi niya, because I am building the temple of God. Okay. Yung first na tao, tinitignan niya as a job. Yung pangalawang tao, tinitignan niya as a career. Yung pangatlong tao, tinitignan niya with a purpose. And if you have that purpose and you are passionate, eventually you will hit that goal and you will become successful. And I am Juliet Kidkid, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide. Thank you.